Good morning. So in this case study, we are going to discuss about the applications of Rengakutta method. First, we see the problem for this application. First problem. So in this program for Rengakutta method in C, the function f of x comma y is defined to calculate slope whenever it is called f of x comma y equal to x minus y divided by x plus y. Solution, we are going to deal about this problem about the C program. So we starting from hash include std io.h, then we go for the key points for that. Hash include math.h, then we are discussing the float f, float x comma float y. Then we start from void main, float x0 y0 x1 m1 m2 m3 m4 m y x h xn, all are float values. That means the decimal values. We are defining all the variables are called decimal values. Then printf is enter x0 y0 xn h. Then we go for the scanf, that means we are collecting the values x0 y0 xn and h, then assigning x equal to x0 y equal to y0, then printf slash n slash n x slash t y slash n. Then we go for while function, while x less than xn, then in that function m1 equal to f of x0 comma y0, m2 equal to f of x0 plus h by 2 comma h 2.2 comma y0 plus m1 into h by 2.0, then m3 equal to f of x0 plus h by 2.0 y0 plus m2 star h by 2.0, and finally m4 is m1 plus 2 star m2 plus 2 star m3 plus m4 divided by 6. Then y equal to y plus m star h, x equal to x plus h. Finally printf percentage f, that means percentage f x comma y, get ch. That is end of this get ch value. Then float f, float x comma float y function is float m equal to x minus y divided by x plus y, return m. The output is x0 comma y0 xn comma h, x equal to y equal to. This is output of the given problem. Then we move on to the second problem, is called using fourth order Rengakutta method, evaluate the value of y when x equal to 1.1, given that dy by dx plus y by x equal to 1 by x squared, y of 1 equal to 1. Solution, function equal to Rengakutta f of x0 comma y0 comma xn comma n, x equal to x0 comma y1 equal to y0, h equal to x minus x0 divided by n. Display xr k4 for I equal to 1 to n, k1 equal to h star f of x comma y1, k2 equal to h star f of x plus 0.5 star h, y1 plus 0.5 star k1, k3 equal to h star f of x plus 0.5 star h, y1 plus 0.5 star k2, k4 equal to h star f of x plus h comma y1 plus k3, y1 equal to y1 plus 1 by 6 times k1 plus 2 k2 plus 2 k3 plus k4. So capital X equal to x plus h. Display f of x comma y1, end display. So the output is f of at x of x comma y into 1 plus y star y, Renge returns f of 1 comma 1 comma 5. Then we move on to the third problem. A populated lake has an initial concentration of a bacteria of 10 power 7 parts per meter cube. The concentration of the bacteria will reduce as fresh water enters the lake. Find the concentration of the populate after 7 weeks. Now we are going to define dC by dt. dC by dt plus 0.6 C equal to 0. The differential equation that governs the concentration C of the population as a function of time in weeks is given by dC by dt plus 0.06 C equal to 0, C of 0 equal to 10 power 6, dC by dt equal to minus 0.06 C, f of t comma C equal to minus 0.06 C. Cj plus 1 equal to C1 plus 1 divided by 6 into K1 plus 2 K2 plus 2 K3 plus K4 into H. For I equal to 0, T0 equal to 0, C0 equal to 10 power 7. So K1 equal to f of T0 comma C0 equal to f of 0 comma 10 power 7 equal to minus 0.06 into 10 power 7 is equal to minus 6 lakhs. So K2 equal to f of T0 plus 1 by 2 into H comma C0 plus 1 by 2 into K1 plus into H, f of 0 plus 1 by 2 into H C0 plus 1 by 2 K1 H equal to, that is end of K value. Substitute these values in this function, we get minus 5,37,000. Then K3 f of T0 plus 1 by 2 into H comma C0 plus 1 by 2 into K2 into H. Then substitute the values in the function, we get K3 equal to minus 5,43,620. Then K4. So K4 formula is f of T0 plus H comma C0 plus K3 into H. Substitute these values in this function, we get minus 4,85,540. Then C1. Find the C1. C1 equal to C0 plus 1 by 6 times K1 plus 2 K2 plus 2 K3 plus K4 into H. Substitute the values, the arriving values K1, K2, K3 and K4. We get C1 equal to 8.1059 into 10 power 6 parts per meter cube, where C is the approximate concentration of bacteria at T equal to T1 equal to T0 plus H 0 plus 3.5 equal to 3.5 parts per m cube. So K1 equal to f of T1 comma C1. So K2 is minus 4,86,350. Then K2 formula is f of T1 plus 1 by 2 into H comma C1 plus 1 by 2 into K1 into H. So the value is minus 4,35,290. Then K3 formula is f of T1 plus 1 by 2 into H C1 plus 1 by 2 into K2 into H. Then substitute the values, we get K3 equal to minus 4,40,648. Then K4 formula is f of T1 plus H comma C1 plus K3 into H. Substitute the values, we get minus 3,93,820. Then C2 equal to 6.5705 into 10 power 6 parts per meter cube, where C2 is the approximate concentration of bacteria at T2 equal to T1 plus H 3.5 plus 3.5, 7 weeks C. So the final answer is 6.5705 into 10 power 6 parts per m cube. So this is our program. Using C program, we evaluate this given problem. Similarly, we go for the next problem. A ball at 1200 K is allowed to cool down in air at an ambient temperature of 300 K. Assuming heat is lost only due to radiation, the differential equation for the temperature of the ball is given by d theta by dt equal to 1200 K. Then f of t comma theta equal to minus 2.2067 into 10 power minus 12 into theta power 4 minus 81 into 10 power 8. So using that, K1 equal to minus 4.5579, K2 equal to, K2 value is minus 0.38347, K3 equal to minus 3.8954. Similarly, K4 equal to minus 0.0069750. Then theta 1 equal to theta naught plus 1 by 6 into K1 plus K2, K2 plus 2, K3 plus K4 into H. Finally, we get theta 1 equal to 675.65 K. Theta 1 is the approximate temperature, approximately 675.65 K. Using this, we go for a program. Using this problem, this is an application of Runge-Kutta fourth order method. That is end of this session. Thank you.